Thank you, shukran.
Good evening, everyone. The highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accidents. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. And more labor.
Good morning, everyone. We're staying in Mövenpick and today we're gonna go for lunch right now. We got a food board for free. So yeah, okay, lunchtime. Right guys, so we got a full board in the hotel. It's free, by the way. So this is the lunch menu. You can choose from all this selection. Okay, let's start. Well seasoned, tender, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Crispy from the charring of the grilling. Heaven in a plate. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to Masjid Nabawi. Wow, this place is so majestic. Words really cannot express how majestic this place is. So peaceful, so tranquil. Okay, behind me, these are all the... It's like a shelter for the pilgrims when the sun is hot especially. It will open up and close depending on the season. Now it's just open up because the sun is quite strong. So, but it's really cold, which is why I'm wearing like a fleece layer. Not gonna mention too much, so I'm gonna play the B-rolls right now. And yeah, I'm gonna put some subtitles on it to let you know what's what. Masjid Nabawi, also called the Prophet's Mosque, is a mosque originally built by our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is one of the largest mosques in the world, and it is the second holiest site in Islam after Masjid al-Haram in Makkah. And this place here, this is called the Raudah. Raudah literally means garden in English. It's an area between the Mimbar and the burial chamber of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Raudah is regarded as one of the gardens of paradise, which is why you will see a lot of people trying to enter this area to make prayers, because supposedly any prayers and supplications here will never be rejected. A visit to this mosque is not complete without a sip of the Zamzam water, which I'm gonna explain more in the next episode. Stay tuned for that! Wow, so lucky to be able to see the umbrella closing in. I don't know what to call it. Is it the umbrella? Not too sure. Really, this is amazing. Time for dinner! Our reservation is for 3 actually. So, yeah. Okay. Thank you. There was some confusion about how many people are allowed to eat for the dinner spread. The spread is amazing. So now that confusion is fixed, there's about 3 of us and all of us get to eat for free. It's free. I think I don't have enough space. Just now for lunch, that 3-course was a bit too much. So I'm gonna cut down a bit on dinner. But this is still quite a huge spread, right? There's a lot of like, there's Egyptian rice, and there's a lot of like mandi and stuff. And then there's also kebab and some grilled meat, mixed grill, some fried shrimps. Good spread! Time for dessert. Thank you, shukran. Good meal as always. I guess we're the only Southeast Asian in that restaurant. It seems like the other Southeast Asians, when they want to eat, they just want to eat local Southeast Asian food, which is that one over there. We don't understand why though, because if you're in Saudi, you should eat Saudi food, right?
Yep.
Alright, it's time to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It's time for Fajr prayers and it's so cold right now. It's about like 8 degrees or something. So, chilly. Okay, prayer ended, so it's time to eat some breakfast. Yeah, just now after breakfast we had to really rush to catch our city tour of Madinah. It leaves at about 7:30, it's already 7:40. Yeah, hopefully you can still catch it. Wah, Alhamdulillah masih sempat.
Mana ibu?
Assalamualaikum. Wah, masih di jalan. Saya lari ke sini tu.
Iya, sudah sarapan? Sudah. Langsung aja ke bis.
Oh, di sana bisa.
Assalamualaikum. Ya. We made it. Guys, we're at Masjid Quba. This is the first mosque built by our Prophet Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and
he migrated from Mecca to Medina due to the, I guess, persecution from the Quraysh tribe.
Yep. And the mosque is now about around 1400 years old. It's a pretty old mosque. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Some quick lessons on a mosque for you guys. That over there, that's the Mimbar, and that over there, the one that is sculpted around like a hole into the building, that's called a mihrab. Yeah, so that's a lesson on mosque. And that right over there, that's a minaret. You can see birds flying around every now and then. This is very majestic. 2 minarets. Actually there's 4. 2 others are behind me. Trying to get out now. Quite a lot of people coming in and out, so it's a bit crowded. So that's Masjid Quba. Just something that you need to be aware of when you're here is try to be careful with your belongings, because there are a lot of snatch thieves around. Can't believe it, right? Medina, such a holy city, there's snatch thieves around. And also the people can be a bit pushy, people from certain regions, unfortunately. Just something to be aware of. I can't remember the last time I saw greenery, but yeah, we're in a kurma plantation, and this is okay. We're in a dates plantation, and this is how date trees look like. They look like palm oil trees, kelapa sawit. Looks very similar. It's very hard to tell the difference. Yeah. So yeah, this is this is kurma.
One of the most famous korma is the Anbar and Ajwa korma. Ajwa itself is mentioned in our hadith or narrations that the prophets said that if you eat 7 dates in the morning, then you will be healthy the whole day, basically. So that is why it is quite important for us, and it's very, very expensive.
The amount of people coming in is crazy. My goodness. Back in the bus. Just now was quite a chaos at the place where they are trading kurma. Most of them can actually speak fluent Indonesian, and they might not be Indonesian at all. So it's really interesting. It's my first time trying kurma muda. What is kurma muda?
It's basically young korma where it hasn't ripe yet, so it's slightly crunchy and hard, I would say. But the crunchy one is really nice actually, so I love it. What they do is they put it in the freezer and then take it out and then leave it a bit for a while and then eat it. And that way you can feel the crunchiness. But the one that he tried just now, it's frozen, it's still frozen. So it's not the best way to eat that korma. I think it's called rotab. Rotab, yes.
Rotab. jump! So we're at Uhud, and this is the place where the Battle of Uhud happened. It's when the Quraysh tried to attack Madinah. One thing that led to the Quraysh being pushed back was the mount over there, where the archers was placed. And it managed to push them back, but because of their greed, when they thought the victory was near, they ran down from the hill in order to collect the spoils of war. Unfortunately, that led to a counter-attack from the Quraysh, and they managed to surround the Muslim army. So a lot of people actually died here, and these are the graves where they are buried, a lot of the Shaheed. It's the end of our 4 days here. We spent 4 days in Madinah, and everything was paid for in this hotel. It was full board, breakfast, lunch, dinner. We are very thankful. Not many people get this kind of opportunity, and we paid zero for all of this. It's crazy. It's a 5-star hotel, Mövenpick Madinah. Very good hotel, good service. Yeah, definitely looking forward to come back here again in the future, inshallah. Yeah, alright, see you in Makkah. And welcome to Makkah.